A very warm, welcome to Fluent English classes. Today I doing the anchorings. First of all, we see the five headlines. First of all, air pollution impact productivity mitigations generates economies. Second one is 25 killed and 17 missing as flash floods refills as Andhra Pradesh. Next one is Biden gets clearance bill of health after Kamala's 85 minutes of presidency. Next one is a private browser can stop trackers in their tracks. And next one is a opportunity to try out new faces for Indian cricket. We doing first headline. Air pollution impact productivity mitigations generated economics gains. I looks at the impact of air pollution on human well-being. This includes both health outcomes and non-health outcomes, which are not typically studied for air pollutions but are significant. There is an established link now between PM 2.5 and the represented respiratory and cardiovascular, as well as evidence that such exposure can affect the brain. And next one is 25 killed and 17 missing as flash floods ravage Andhra Pradesh. In Amravati, heavy rains under the influence of a low pressure area in the Bay of Bengal left 25 persons, including a member of a state disaster response force, and killed in defense districts of Andhra Pradesh since Friday, while 17 persons still remains missing, the state's government said on the Saturday. And next headline is Biden gets clearance bill of health after Kamala's 85 minutes of presidency. In Washington, it lasted just 85 minutes, but the history-making moment in America unlikely to turn into the extended streams turbines much less on area. While White House's physicians, Dr. Kevin Wings gave a clean bills of health to U.S. President Joe Biden on Friday after a little physical exercise, including the produced that is required anesthesia due to. And next one is there's private browsers can stop traffic in their tracks. People are more worried the way they was about the digital footprint they are leaving behind on the web, but most don't know how to dump the bad tabs of browser. But thanks to the increasing focus on privacy in some, and you and all the others are offering a new browser and secure and less intrusive search experience. And next one is the opportunity to try new faces in India. Having won the series well, India make changes to their playing 11 for the third and final game. It would be more to ask if India should make any changes or go in with same 11 that played in the injury on the Mohammad Siraj, given an opportunity to Harshad Patel to show that he can do at the international levels. He just did in the level IPL where he got purple caps. That's all.